All right, Kingpin. All right, I showed 51, but then I see where I made my mistake. You were right, 52. Fuki and I gave to the Germans. So I'm going to correct that one. All right. So I did look at the video, and yeah, I did. Usually I try to keep the dice, right where it's supposed to be at. Um, so, but what I'm going to do is um, I'm just going to go ahead and re-roll it from there. Taking one off here and there, I don't know. Um, I know I had 5 hits the first time, and then you said you had 3. So, so I'm going to have 3 tanks that were in there that I could take away. Right, 3 tanks, and you had 4 tanks. All right, and then what did I do? Delete all my dice out of there too. Okay, the red one and blue one. All right. So, and then you had 4 2s. All right. And then I had 3 2s or 3 artillery paired with 3 infantry. And then I had 1, 2, 3 non-paired. So that made a total of 12 guys I landed there. All right. I'm going to scale them up a little bit, just like the others. All right. So anyway, all right. So that's what we had. Then I had 5 hits, so I took off 3 of your infantry, and you left you with an artillery and the tanks. All right. Me, I should have took off these 3 right off the bat. 3 infantry. So that's what we had left. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and re-roll mine. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, exactly the same as I did the other one. And you rolled, and you got 2 hits. All right. So I'm going to lose 2 more infantry. All right. And I had 4 hits. That leaves you 1 tank. All right. So here we go. And I got a hit. And you got a hit. All right. So that leaves me 3 artillery. Okay. And 3 tanks. So I'll take off that. All right. So I have 3 artillery left and 3 tanks. And then I'll add 1 to my, so I got 90. The turn. All right. So how does that sound? Sound fair? That way we just did it the right way. My mistake from the beginning.